So yeah, I want to do a quick tour for you guys so that you see the amazing space that we're staying at. I don't even want us to even sit down on the bed. I'm like, you know what, let me do this video before everywhere gets like, I mean, you know how it is. This is the pool area. We're coming this way. And we go in here. These are the pool towels. What's at this corner? Nothing. I have like a course work to do, so this is most likely going to be my joints. And yeah, that's the husband. Yeah. And then this is the bed. I love this place so much, like so much. That is our luggage. We literally just got in here, and because we're on honeymoon, they gave us this fruits and wine. We're gonna be like unwinding and things. So in here, this is the wardrobe type thing and a robe. Yeah, this is Furaveri, guys. This is such a beautiful space. Like we're going to be using the toilets with a view, doing number 2 with a view. Then his and hers sink. That's your girl. Then we have the outdoor shower as well. Also has his and hers. And I mean, everywhere is just so beautiful. Like, no, I haven't. Oh my god. Oh god. Let's go. Oh my god, it is so beautiful.